Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the idea of our yoga practices always being progressive, right? It's like everything that we do in society, it has to be progressive. Our workouts have to be progressive. Every workout we're supposed to be a little bit stronger or lifting a little bit more than what we did last time. But if you continue to look at everything through that lens and that lens only, that everything builds on it and everything is progressive, eventually injury is going to happen, right? You can't add 5 pounds to your bench press every single time you get in the gym. Eventually you're going to reach that point where you're going to hurt yourself trying to add more weight to it. That's happening in the yoga world every single day. You know, I ended up having some issues with my lower back not too terribly long ago, and I identified that what was happening was I was aggravating that through some really deep twists. And for a while there, I just completely backed off of the twists altogether. But now that I've incorporated them back into my practice, what I'm doing is I'm just asking myself is why. You know, when I get to a certain point, if I can twist to a certain degree, and that allows me to do the things that I need to do functionally in my life every single day, then what's the purpose of going deeper? You know, if you can, now to those people who are, maybe you're naturally flexible and your edge is a lot deeper and you start to explore really deep binds in your practice, as long as you are exploring those places with the idea of keeping yourself safe in your mind, then that's okay. But we have to understand that eventually you reach that point of no return and injury is going to be the part of your practice that speaks to you loudest. So anyway, just be mindful, right? In your practice, asking yourself, why am I doing the things that I'm doing? Why is it that I feel this need to do more in my practice today than I did yesterday if maybe I didn't get a good night's sleep? Maybe I didn't eat the same types of things. You know, really pull mindfulness into what you're doing both on and off the mat so that when you do get on the mat, you're giving yourself those things that you need. Okay? Yoga is all about what you need. It's not about continuing to progress to the point that we snap in half. Okay? So as always, guys, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon. Namaste.